Good morning, everyone. Just taking a moment for the audios to connect. Hi, hi. Well, happy Earth Day. It's so great to be able to celebrate together. Um, Here in Asheville, we are getting some much needed rain, and you can just feel that sweet exhale and relief and sweetness of the rain. So maybe you can say something in the chat about your connection to nature in this moment. Um, and to help us celebrate, we have the incredible Nina Rao, who I think many of you have chanted with before. Anyone here, this is your first time? Oh, welcome, Julia, Andrew, Dev. Wonderful. So great. So what we'll do is the incredible Nina will talk a little bit about the chant. She'll lead us through pronunciation, and then we will get to as many as we can, hopefully 108 recitations. But it's Nina, to me, is one of the most brilliant teachers. She has such a strong practice, such an incredible way of explaining it. Um, this like through line. She's just had an album come out, the 21 Taras. I think it's your third or fourth, and has been traveling the world, both with herself to help with conservation efforts, as well as with Krishna Das for bringing chanting music to people around the world. So thank you, Nina, for being here and guiding us. And thank you, everyone else, for joining us to celebrate this way on Earth Day.
Good morning. Nice to see all your faces, and I'm seeing where you're coming in from, some from Europe. Parvati, lots of love to you. I see you. And some from Europe. Lovely to see you, Crystal from Sweden. So thanks for celebrating with us. We call it Earth Day here. Is it Earth Day around the world, actually? I don't even know. Or is it an American thing? I don't even know. Maybe it's worldwide. Everybody's celebrating. It's good. Um, So I wanted typically on these Monday mornings, we do mantra meditation, which is recitation of mantras, to kind of help us decide whether we're going to incorporate it into our practice. We've done the Gayatri mantra, which is sort of a foundational Veda mantra that's part of the tradition of practice in India. We've done that. We've done Mahamrityunjaya mantra. They both have their own, they're both have survived over the eons as efficacious practice for us. And why are we doing practice? We just have to keep reminding ourselves that it's through the recitation of the mantra that we align with the universe around us and the universe inside our own hearts, and to kind of help to dissipate the feeling of separateness that we have. And when we are in that space, everything that we offer to the world will be of benefit, and to ourselves and to everyone. So today in particular, we're going to chant a mantra that I have not actually shared with others before. It's called the Bhu Gayatri Mantra, and it's called a Gayatri Mantra. There are many Gayatri Mantras because Gayatri is actually the rhythm in which the mantra is chanted. And like every Veda mantra, we are always invoking a devata or a divine being. So the beauty of our Indian tradition is that we have so many forms, so many names, all pointing in the same direction, which is the one presence, the all one that Maharaji Neem Karoli Baba spoke about, and all the great teachers speak about, and whatever tradition you're from. They have different names and different forms, but it's all one. And I just came back from East Africa, where I spent time out in the wilderness and also with people who live in the wilderness. It's like some of the few remaining tribes that actually live with the earth. And it was so beautiful to see that their practice is every moment of their day, which is really listening, hearing, and communicating with nature in the way that they do to get what they need, but also coexisting. So it was a real heart lesson for me. And, we are so removed from that type of living. I'm talking about people who climb trees and um, take honey from wild beehives. They make their own bows and arrows. They go hunting and they share one animal for the entire tribe. It's like they can't open a cabinet and take out some popcorn. They're eating what they're getting from the land directly every day. I don't know how long that will last because, like everything, nature moves, earth moves. But it was very beautiful for me to witness that. So here we are online through the digital world, and I'm really happy for that. So I just want to say before we start, and I'm going to ask Jackie to bring up the mantra in a minute. But before we do, just kind of in your mind's eye, situate yourself um, at in the footprint of where you are on Earth, wherever that might be. It could be your apartment up in the Manhattan. It could be, you might have a garden, you might have a fire escape with a few pots. You might be able to look out of your window and just see a little patch of sky and cloud. Whatever that is for you, just situate yourself in your mind's eye and try to feel that, because we often don't. We're so involved in our own lives. So just try to like feel into that space and connect into that space, whatever that is for you, even if it's a flower in a vase in your home, whatever that is for you. And I'm just going to share a few verses of what's a longer form prayer called the Bhumi Suktam. Bhumi is a name from in Sanskrit, or Bhu Devi is another name for her, of Mother Earth. In any tradition, or even if you don't belong to a tradition, nature and the earth is considered mother because she provides. And so earth in the Veda, which is the longest living tradition of practice in India, earth is a living divine being. It's alive, and she is alive, and she is supported. And you'll hear in the way in which the Bhu Suktam is that she is supported by truth, the rhythm of truth, that is truth in movement, if you can imagine that, and vastness. So it's kind of abstract in the words that we're using, but if you can just kind of feel into that, this is where the mantra comes in, because we're going to chant it in a particular intonation, but also rhythm, and align with that in that way. But in the Bhu Suktam, I'm just going to read a few verses in English so you can understand what we're going to chant is like a small, it's an essence of this, because it's easier. The Bhu Suktam is very long and hard to learn. But this is how it goes. Truth, vastness, truth in movement, strength, tapas, mantra, and yajna. That's yajna is what we're doing, which is practice and living our lives. These uphold the earth. May she, queen of what has been and will be, make a wide world for us. May earth, clad in her fiery mantle, make me a flame whose knowledge is dark. May she sharpen me to be bright. May I, who have taken refuge in the earth, never stumble. The earth has the 4 regions of space. Upon her, the food and the strivers have arisen. She supports in many ways the moving and breathing things. May the Vast One give us knowledge and food. O Mother of all growths, that is that which grows, this firm earth is upheld by eternal law, Dharma. May she be gracious to us as we tread on her forever. I call to earth the purifier, the patient earth, growing strong through mantra. May we offer inner worship to you, O Mother Earth. You bear energy, nourishment, and give us our share of food and clarity of thought. O Earth, may your regions and directions, the eastern, northern, southern, and western, be pleasant for me to tread upon. May I, who have taken refuge in the earth, never stumble. So those are just few verses. And so we're invoking her as goddess, as her guiding us in her brilliant form, as we can see with our eyes and experience with our senses. Okay, Jackie, you want to share the mantra? So just in terms of, I know it might feel a little, lots of letters and unfamiliar in many ways. I'll chant it for you, and then we'll just go through it a little bit, okay? Word by word. Let me start with an invocation first. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Ganana Antva Ganapati Gum Havamahe Kavim Kavinam Upamashravastamam Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anashranvannutibhisida Sadanam Mahaganapataye Namaha Prano Devi Saraswati Vajebhirvajinivati Dhinam Vitryavatu Ano Divo Brahataf Parvatada Saraswati Yajatagantu Yagyam Havan Devi Jujushana Ghritachi Shagman No Vachamushati Shrunotu Vagdevyai Namaha Charanam Pavitram Vitatam Puranam Yena Putastarati Dushkritani Tena Pavitrena Shuddhena Putaha Atipapmanamaratintarema Shri Sadguru Charana Ravinda Bhyan Namaha. So I'll chant this mantra 3 times, just hear how it sounds. Om Dhanurdharayai Vidmahe Sarvasiddhyai Cha Dhimahi Tanno Dhara Prachodayat. Om Dhanurdharayai Vidmahe Sarvasiddhyai Cha Dhimahi Tanno Dhara Prachodayat. Om Dhanurdharayai Vidmahe Sarvasiddhyai Cha Dhimahi Tanno Dhara Prachodayat. So Bhumi Devi is often referred to with a bow and arrow. And the reason being from my understanding, is that, we're all looking for the same thing, and we're just not always looking in the right place. And so when we are invoking the blessings of Mother Earth in this form with the bow and arrow, where we want her to look through our eyes at what we're seeing. And the way she's going to look is going to be in the right direction because she's aiming. So may she bring that to us. The Dhanur Dharaye comes from there. Dhara, this dha, that root in there, is the one who's bearing the weight, just bearing. So bearing fruit, bearing the weight. And because she's Mother Earth and we are treading upon her, she's also at the same time providing. So she's the one who provides, the one who bears. So that's where Dhara comes from. Sarva Siddhyai, all that we achieve or acquire will be provided by her. So we meditate upon her. Dhanur Dharayai Vidmahe, we meditate upon her. Sarva Siddhyai. Dhara, thank you for your comment. Sarva Siddhyai Chadhimahi. So she who Sarva Siddhyai, all achievements or what we acquire. Chadhimahi, the one who provides. Tanno Dhara Prachodayat. We pray to the one who is the bearer of that which is provided to us. Okay. So let's talk about the pronunciation just a little bit. Notice the D and H, as we've talked about in all the other Veda mantras. It's an aspirated sound. So it's dha as opposed to just da. So we have that dhanur dharaye. Use it with your breath, like try to use your solar plexus or your belly, like whichever way you feel like you can let the air out, dha, like that. And because it starts to become a form of breath practice when you're doing the mantra recitation. So it's important to do that. You're going to hear and be able to actually repeat after me very easily. I find that the easiest way, but the text here is helping us support what we're pronouncing and the note that we're using. So the horizontal line under the first two syllables in the second word, and also the third syllable, shows that we're going to start with the middle note as Om, that has no notation. Om, Dhanur, Dha. So it's going for all three syllables, it's going to the lower note underneath that middle note. Then we come back up, Dha, Om Dhanur Dharayai. So we go low, 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 middle, high. So when I say it, it sounds more complicated than it really is. If you hear it, you'll be able to do it. But I'm just showing you the notation. In the fourth syllable, RA, the horizontal line over the A makes it a long vowel. The last syllable, yay, with the vertical line on the top means that we're going to the higher note. Om Dhanur Dharayai. Notice how we go up. Vidmahe, low, middle, high. Do you hear that? So let's just try to do this line together. We'll do it the way I'll say it. I'll say it 3 times. Listen the first and repeat after me. Repeat with me the second 2 times. Om Dhanur Dharayai Vidmahe. Om Dhanur Dharayai Vidmahe. Om Dhanur Dharayai Vidmahe. Second line. Sarva Siddhyai Chadhimahi. Sarva is in the middle note. Siddhyai goes down, back up to the middle. Sarva Siddhyai Chadhimahi. Again, I've just mentioned here, so many of you know this. A C is always pronounced as a ch sound in this transliteration. Sarvasiddhyai cha dhimahi. Sarvasiddhyai cha dhimahi. Okay, so let's do that again. I'll say it 3 times. You listen once, repeat with me twice. Sarvasiddhyai cha dhimahi. Sarvasiddhyai cha dhimahi. Sarvasiddhyai cha dhimahi. Let's do that again. Sarvasiddhyai cha dhimahi. Sarvasiddhyai cha dhimahi. Last line. Tanno. The double N means that you're really like emphasizing the n sound. So it's like not tano. Tanno. So you're holding that n a little bit, okay? Tanno dhara. Long A at the end. Tanno dhara prachodayat. So I'll just explain that last syllable. Because it has a horizontal line over the A, it makes it a long A. And then we break up that syllable into the middle note and the high note. So prachodayat, right? And then because it ends with the T at the end of the line, the rule here is in this lineage is to end it with a short a. Prachodayat, like that. Okay, instead of just prachodayat. So let's do this last line together. Tanno dhara prachodayat. Tanno dhara prachodayat. Tanno dhara prachodayat. So let's do that again together. I'll say it once, you repeat with me twice. Tanno dhara prachodayat. Tanno dhara prachodayat. Tanno dhara prachodayat. Let's do it again. Tanno dhara prachodayat. Tanno dhara prachodayat. Tanno dhara prachodayat. I just want to mention about the 2 vertical lines. You see one at the end of the first phrase and then the double at the end of the whole mantra. So typically that single vertical line is where we're going to take a breath. So the first 2, what we have seen is broken up as 2 lines. We're going to try to do it together. But if you need to, take a breath after vidmahe. But it would go something like this. Om Dhanurdharayai vidmahe sarvasiddhyai cha dhimahi. Breathe. Tanno dhara prachodayat. Breathe again. Okay, that's how we'll try to do that recitation. But if you feel like you need to take a breath after vidmahe, please do that. And I just want to say, like I was remembering as I'm looking out at my garden, which is behind this screen, when I first moved into this house, I walked around, it's a 1 acre, and I walked around it chanting this mantra 108 times just to kind of feel the blessings of the land. And also every year when we plant and when we put the plants to sleep in the fall, while I'm doing that work, I'm always chanting this mantra. But you can do it at any time when you go for a walk in your neighborhood trail or whatever it might be. It's a really beautiful way to kind of align with everything that's going on. Or if you wake up in the morning and you're just looking at the sky, whichever. Okay, does anybody have any questions about how to do this recitation? Or shall we just kind of jump in and try to get in 108 of them so that I can let Jackie go? She's got a hard stop today. I usually, well, Riddhi, we're just invoking. I was explaining to you, we're invoking the blessings of Mother Earth, the one who bears everything that's provided for us. We meditate upon her and we offer our prayers to her. That's basically it. That's all that we're doing. It's a way to align with these forces and the forces that support the earth of truth, movement in truth, and so on. Okay? So, if you have a mala and you'd like to use it, you can count 108 of them. And we'll start with one long Om together. And enjoy, like really enjoy. Ready? Om. ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात् ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात् ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात् ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात् ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात् ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात् ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात् ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात् ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात् ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात् ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात् ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात् ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात् ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात् ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात् ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात् ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात् ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात् ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धनुर्धरायै विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि तन्नो धरा प्रचोदयात्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। So yes, happy Earth Day. Mhm.
Thank you, Nina, so, so, so much. That was an incredible gift and an incredible way to celebrate Earth Day together. I'm really, really grateful to know that mantra, and I plan on chanting it a lot as you suggested. I love it.
There were just a couple of questions. It is Sanskrit. Let's just be clear about that. This is Sanskrit from the Veda. And we have very little time because Jackie's got to go, but I just want to say that I'm going to do another free program with Tara Mandala this afternoon. It's at 2:00 New York time. If you email me like soon through my website, ninaraochant.com, I'll send you the link because it's kind of buried inside the Tara Mandala website. But we're going to sing. and we'll share some. So this is Sanskrit from the Indian tradition, but we're going to do some Buddhist mantras as well to
Mm,
Tara in the form also of auspiciousness and Mother Earth. So I welcome you to join us over there.
wonderful, wonderful. And then remember that everyone that she's here every month, and so we'll do another
Yeah.
chant here. But that sounds lovely. I love that you're bringing in both traditions, and it's such a beautiful place. So thank you. Thank you, everyone, for being here, for practicing together, for showing up, for being part of this community, for bringing your heart and your care and your wisdom, and may it ripple out into the world for the benefit of all beings. All right, take care. See you all soon. Much love.
Jai Sitaram.
Thank
Lots of love.
you.